people that are out there, especially women, that are crazy about you?
It's actually far from where we stay.
Is it?
Yeah.
But you got the right protocol. Especially, I think that this is the best time for your movie promotion like this.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, honestly, you guys deserve this.
Thank you.
Especially thanks to Amir and Zafar who did this for you guys. Honestly, I missed yesterday. I was somewhere else, but today is the limelight.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Inshallah. Be careful of your food.
प्लेन के ऊपर आज माहिरा खान एंड हमायूं सईद आए हैं अपनी मूवी की प्रमोशन करने के लिए लव गुरु एंड दिस इज द बेस्ट स्पॉट वेयर दे कैन प्रमोट देयर मूवी एक्चुअली इट्स पाकिस्तान मिनी पाकिस्तान and people out there waiting for them to